The thing I like the most about the event is that it's very casual. Everyone is very easily approachable.
As always, it's been a very nice event with a lot of, I would say, key decision makers. Nice atmosphere, nice evening program as well, and it's a lot of opportunities for informal discussion.
So I always like to come here. It's for me a unique opportunity to connect with all clients, partners. It's technology companies, but it's also a lot of airports.
From the moment you arrive at the hotel, it's a continuous sort of planned and unplanned touch point with other people.
The workshops are really useful, but it's awesome because I think once you get people talking and actually working with you in that workshop, then you can actually close some real business.
But having the workshops really made a difference for us because it really is able to focus everyone's mind, what is it that we can deliver to customers, and have that dialogue with everyone. It really makes a huge difference.
The way the open discussions were structured, where all the airports were speaking to each other, they were sharing what worked, most importantly what didn't work and what have been the learnings out of that. We had a lot of service providers, solution providers also join in for the conversations, and so the interactive sessions were very nice, and overall it was a great experience.
You learn that so many airports are going through the same problems, the same challenges as ours in terms of capacity optimization, in terms of revenue management, in terms of equipment, and having a seamless experience for our customers.
Our daily approach, where we are every time on rush, and our main goal is to deliver project, and so this helps to take a higher point of view and have a different perspective.
All airport related guys. Any actions to airport business, you should participate at this networking.
I think all participants that are here now should attend. The more Asian regions should attend.
I think if you are an airport manager looking after mobility, car parking, car rental, car sharing, whatever it may be, there is really no better venue in the year because it's the one place you get your peers to participate and also potential suppliers who can hopefully support you in your business.
Definitely airports, because they get the best of everything to offer in the world. So all of the parking solutions are here. I think the providers of solutions need to be here so they can see their customers in one place at one time.
Of course, anyone who is in any manner involved with parking, of course, whether you're a tech supplier, software supplier, operator, I think this is a good event. You got the airport decision makers, the right people who are really involved.
Will we see you again?
Yes.
Looking forward to next year's edition and hope to see you there.
100%. I'll definitely be seeing Assure there again.
Really looking forward for next year.
I look forward. Thank you.